nursery class. This is your English class, and in this video we will do the revision of different topics. Okay, so are you ready? So firstly we will start with matchups. Okay, as we had already done, identify the picture. On the basis of that we will do the matchups. Okay, nursery class. Now tell me, which picture is this? This is the first picture. Yes, tell me. This is, yes, A for apple. A for apple. And where apple is written? Yes, here. Now what you have to do, as I already told you, that you have to join these dots. Okay. Now from apple to, you have to draw the line and go to the letter L and join the dot. Okay. Now tell me, what is this? It is B for ball. Now check here where B for ball is written. Yes, it is here. So you have to join these dot. Okay, you have to join letter B with B for ball. Okay, let's draw the line. Yes, go to letter B. Yes, and join the dots. Now which picture is this? It is C for cat. Yes, now check where C for cat is written. Here, no, here. Yes, this is C for cat. And you have to join it. Yes, nursery class. Yes, join the dots like this. Yes, very good. Now tell me, which picture is this? Fourth number. Yes, it is D for dog. And where it is written? Here. Yes, on number 1. Yes, then draw the line. Yes, like this. You have to write, you have to draw the line. Okay. Now what is this? E for elephant. Yes. And here it is E for elephant. So join the dots. Yes, very good. Yes, nursery class, like this. What is this? G for grapes. Yes, nursery class, from here where it is written G for grapes, it is here. Yes, then join these two dots. Let's start from here. From picture you have to draw line and go to letter G. Okay. Now what is this? H for hen. Yes, nursery class, very good. Now where it is written? Find out. Yes, it is here. So nursery class, you have to draw the line from hen and you have to reach till letter H. Okay. Now tell me, what is this? Yes, I for igloo. I for igloo. And where it is written? Only this left. On this page we have done all the pictures. Only this left. And then you have to draw the line. Okay, nursery class? Yes. Now nursery class, our next picture is J for joker. J for joker. And check where it is written. Here. So join the dots from joker to go to letter J. Yes. Now which picture is this? Fish. Now where it is written? Here. So draw a line. Yes, from fish to letter F. Now tell me, what is this? K for kite. So check where it is written K for kite. This is L for lion, M for monkey. Oh, here it is. It is K for kite. So join the dots from kite to letter K. Yes. Now tell me, what is this? L for lion. Yes, now check where it is written. It is done. Oh, it is here on number 2. Then join it. It is L for line. L for line. Like this. Now what is this? M for mango. So check where it is. It is here. So join from mango to letter M. Now tell me what is this? Nest. Check where nest is written. It is already done now. Now check which was not done. Yes, here it is. It is letter N. So start from nest and go to letter N. Yes. Now tell me what is this? Orange. Check where is letter O. Here it is. So draw the line from orange to letter O. Now tell me what is this? Parrot? Yes. So check where it is written. It is here. So join the dot from parrot to letter P. Yes. Now which picture is this? Q for queen. Only this left. See, we have done on this page and only one left. So nursery class, join from queen to letter Q. Letter Q. Yes, nursery class. Like this, you have to do matchups. Okay. Now tell me which picture is this? This is R for rabbit. Yes, check where it is. Here. Then join it. Join the dot from R, from rabbit to letter R. Yes, nursery class. Like this. Now tell me which picture is this? Yes, it is S for shape. S for ship. Yes, where it is? It is here. Yes, nursery class. Now join from ship to letter S. Very good. Now which picture left? Letter T. Yes, T for tree. Then join tree to letter T. Okay, nursery class. Now our next topic is fill-ups. Okay. Yes, nursery class, your fill-ups can come in any way. It can come before also and after also and in between. Means आपको जो fill-up आएंगी वो पहले भी आ सकती है fill-up. जैसे F से पहले क्या आएगा? You have to write. Okay. या फिर F के बाद क्या आएगा? After. It can be like this. Otherwise it can be like this. I dash K. Okay. And it is in between. I और K के बीच में क्या आएगा? आपको fill-ups किसी भी तरह से आ सकती है. आगे भी आ सकती है, पीछे भी आ सकती है और बीच में भी आ सकती है. Okay. So let's start. Which letter is this? Letter A. Then after A, what will come? Letter. Yes, tell me, nursery class. Letter B. You will write here letter B. Okay. After that again there is fill up. Yes. It can come like this also. D will be written and here it will be fill up. Then what will come here? Yes, it will here. Which letter will come? Letter C. Letter C. Like this, nursery class, you have to do the fill-ups. Okay, got it? Now tell me here what will come? Here it is letter D. Now which letter will come? Letter E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Now which letter is this? Letter F. Then which letter will come? Letter G. Write here letter G. H for hen. Which letter is this? I for ice cream. Now what will come after I? J for joker. J for joker. And which letter is this? K for kite. Now, which letter will come? L for lion. L for lion. What is this? Letter M. M for mango. M for monkey. Yes. N for nest. Now what will come? O for orange. O for orange. Now after O what will come? P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for queen. Now after that what will come? Here it is fill up. Yes, you have to write on the place of fill up. After Q what will come? R for rabbit. R for rose. Okay. S for ship. S for sun. So after S what will come? T for tiger. T for tiger. Like this, nursery class, you have to do the fill-ups. Okay, nursery class. Now our next topic is for revision, that is dictation. Okay, for this what mama will do? Mama will speak the letter and you have to listen the letter and you have to write that. Okay, suppose I will speak, write letter P. Okay, then on here what you have to do? You have to write letter P. Okay, then after that mama will speak. Yeah, otherwise you can watch the video for this. Then next letter will be letter Q. Okay, here you will write letter Q. Okay, now our next letter will be letter B. Write here letter B. Okay. For this, mama can also speak the different letters and you have to write. Okay. Now our next letter is letter S. Yes, like this you have to write. Listen the letter and write down. Okay. Now our next letter is letter T. Yes. Then after that, which letter? I will tell you which letter you have to write. Letter A. Okay. Like this, nursery class, you have to do the revision of matchups, fill-ups and dictation. Okay, nursery class. For dictation, mama can speak any letter and you have to write that letter. Okay, nursery class. Till the next video. Bye.